Hi, my name is Gil Hadani, and in this clip we're going to test the opportunity, the option to set up a quality softbox with a LED bulb, powerful LED bulb, and a Bowens bracket. Instead of paying $300 plus on LED light, I'm going to test the option of $50 LED bulb. This cost me $50, including these adapters, E40, E27, and a 5 meter cable. We are going to set up the softbox and the light, and we are going to test flicker, power, and the color shift. I'll remove the inner diffuser because the bulb is already diffused and it's a bit long, so I won't need it. So I've removed the inner diffuser because I don't need it. The bulb is already diffused. Now to the moment of truth, I will switch on the electricity and see how it goes. That's it. So this is the light, not quite as I expected. Let's turn off the light. I reduce the speed now to test flicker. It's on 30, one of 30, no flicker as far as I see. I set up a grid. Now I'll remove the grid and you will see power. The distance is one meter now. I'll remove the grid now. I set up only one light with a bulb and a diffuser without the grid. I turn off the other lights, and this is it, the quality. I hope you enjoy it. I think it's good enough. Thank you. Es krönte und Scheiße und Blödsinn, Riesen, Brasen und Bowens Mount $50 und Fovitec, Quality Fovitec, voilà, alles klar.